Hello everybody, it's Martin here again. Today I will try the hack that Coca Cola makes a great rust remover. To test this hack I have this rebar that is equally rusty all over. We will cut this rebar down to 5 pieces of the same size, and after that we will place them in these beakers. And of course we will add the cola. We will test one piece after 1 hour, another after 2 hours, the third after 6 hours and the fourth after a day. But we will also try one after 1.5 hours. But the thing with this one is that we will heat the cola to boiling point to see if it makes a difference. When we take out the pieces, we will clean them in fresh water and see if there have been any difference. We will also use this brush to scrub them and see if that makes any difference. So let's begin. And now let's start heating the fifth one. I don't believe we can stand on this alone, so we have to add a plate, the cola, and then the gas. I don't think this will take a very long time at all. Okay, as you can see, the cola is now boiling, so let's remove it from the heat. Hot, hot, hot. Okay, the clock is ticking. The cola on the right is very, very hot, and the others have about 55 minutes before we test it the first time. See you in 1 hour. So it's been an hour, so let's see if we can see any change on the first one. I have some ordinary tap water, and we have our little piece. It's hard to see when it's wet. Let's clean it a little bit. Some of the rust is coming off, but I have quite a rough brush as well. Let's keep it like this, and we try to write up some paper, and when I see you in half an hour. So now it's gone 30 minutes more, so let's try the one that we heated. Same procedure. Once more, it's very difficult to see anything when it's wet, but I think I can see some change of it. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but let's brush it a little bit. Maybe. Let's try this one off. I think we can see some change of this one. If we look at the first one that we had for half an hour ago, it's very red still. I don't think the camera may focus on it. And this one Actually, it looks better, much blacker. It'll be exciting to see what's happening in 2 hours. See you then. I thought the results of the boiled cola was so interesting that I had to start another experiment. 22 hours plus heat. Let's see if that makes a difference, because this was a big difference between the 1 hour and the 1.5 hour with heat. Two big differences. Do not notice. So let's see what's happened in 22 hours. See you then. Now let's see how it looks after 2 hours. We use the same procedure as last time. We use water. So we're back again. So let's see how the 6 hour sample have done. Okay, and it's now been a little bit more than a day since we started this experiment, so let's try the last two. I'm actually kind of interested in the last one. So let's see. Same procedure as last time. Water. So let's leave them to dry for a couple of minutes and we compare them to an untreated piece of rebar. Okay, everything is dried, so let's try it against the control. Let's start with the 1 hour. See, it's still quite rusty. Let's take the 2 hours. Six hours. Maybe a little different. No. And now it's 24 hours. Let's zoom in on them. See if the camera can focus. I can't see a notable difference on this one. Let me know if you think I'm wrong. And now 1.5 hour plus heat. On this one I think we can see a difference, a notable difference, but it's not clean, but sure, it's better. And 22 hours with heat. About the same result as the 1.5 hour. The surface that we used the brush on is better than the surface that we didn't use the brush on. So now to the big question: does rust Does Coca Cola work as a rust remover on iron? I would say no. Sure, it's a difference, it's better than it was before, but still it's not clean. Plus you have to boil the cola, so I can only see that would work with small pieces. It's much easier to use vinegar or just the lettuce. So busted. Thank you for watching.